Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, we got another shoe for you guys. Okay, let's go. Okay, as you can tell from the box, it's another Jordan 1. Let's open it up and see which one it is. There we are. You already know which one it is. It's the pine green edition. Let's close the box. Put this one there, this one there. Yeah, so these are the Jordan 1 pine greens. They came out a few years ago, and yes, as you can see, my ones are still brand new. I have not had the chance to wear them because I did not go to the hiking yet. When I'm going to the hiking, I will wear these ones. Very nice. Let's start from the bottom. As you can see, you got your pine green bottoms, and then you got your white midsole. The leather quality as well is quite decent. As you can see, tumble leather, black on your panel. So you got the tumble, you got the black, then you got the another tumble. Only thing I don't like about this shoe is this. As you can see, they made the wing logo into like a leather patch, made it shiny, and they stuck it here. It doesn't look too dandada to my liking. And then as you can see, you got the lace, you got the nylon tongue, and they managed to put some kind of shiny red label here as well. I don't know why they done this. I think they're going for the, you know, the Christmas vibes. I don't know why, but they're going for the Christmas vibes. And it comes with some extra laces, some red lace, and then the red Nike here on the sole. The back there, as you can see, nice leather quality, nice material there. Yeah, all in all, these are actually quite a nice shoe. Only thing that throws me off is this. If this was just, you know, embossed normal instead of having this weird thing, then I think these ones would be a very nice pair of shoes. But they are all good regular ones. I have not worn them yet. I'm waiting for the lockdown to finish so I can wear them. I'll give you a quick on hand shot, how they will look on hand or on feet. You can see, and that is how they will look with blue socks. Very nice. Just moonwalk on these haters like that. Yeah, all in all, the pine green 3.0s or 2.0s or 10.0s are very good shoe. The retail was $135. Resale is now like $210, so not too bad if you want to pay the resale. But all in all, very nice pair of Jordan 1s. And yeah, if you want this, you can get them. You can wear them in the jungle and pretend you are fighting predator. As always, if you like the video, like the video. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. And as always, Bali da.